in order to learn about the materials in Blender easily and without confusion. We have to start from scratch. So, let's get started. Start a new file. Don't forget to enable GPU. Here, select your GPU tab and check the name. Change render engine to cycle. Change viewport shading to rendered. Now, this is the default scene of Blender. Click to select a cube. Go to the Material Properties tab. Here you can see that the default cube already has a material assigned to it. Let's change the base color to red. Then change the name of this red material right here. Add another cube to the scene. Go to the Material Properties tab. You can see that this new cube has no material assigned to it. So, click the New button to assign a new material to the cube. Change the base color to green. Then change the name like we did before. Add another cube to the scene. Give it a blue material. Yes. That's it. Now, if we delete all the cubes, all the materials we created will not be deleted. And we can assign it to any other object as we like. Let's test it out. Delete all the cubes. Add 3 spheres to the scene. Click to select one of the spheres. Go to the Material Properties tab. This time, instead of creating a new material for the sphere, we will use the existing one. And it's here. Let's choose the red material first. That's it. Click to select the second sphere. Assign the green material on the list to it. And do the same with the third sphere for the blue color. Yes. You got the idea. Now, we can assign multiple materials to a single object. Here's how. Delete all the spheres. Add a new cube to the scene. Add new material to the cube. Change the base color to yellow. Then change the name like we did before. Now, we will assign purple material to the top face of this cube. Here. Click this little plus icon to add a new material slot. Click to select it. Then click New to create a new material for it. Change the base color to purple. Change the name like you did before. Switch to Edit mode. Click this icon to use face selection. Click to select the top face. Click to select the purple slot. Click Assign to assign it to the top face. Switch back to Object mode. That's it. Let's add one more slot. This time we will not create new materials but use existing ones. For example, give it this green material. Switch to Edit mode. Select any face. Click the new green slot. Click Assign. Change back to Object mode. Yes. That's it. You got the idea. You can easily remove the material from the object. Just click this minus icon. Yes. It's very simple like that. Keep in mind that all material will not be deleted but will still be available in the scene. If you want to delete all the material from the scene, you have to delete it here. Now, they are completely gone. Awesome. Another important thing is that, when you duplicate any object, you get a new object that shares the same material. For example, this cube has a green material assigned to it. Let's make 5 copies of it. Click to select one of the cubes. Go to Material Properties. You will notice an icon with the number 5 on it. This means that there are 5 objects sharing this material. Let's try to change the base color. That's it. You got the idea. Let's change it back to green. Now, the good thing is, you can click this icon or this icon. You will then get a new material for the object you selected based on the original material. Yes. You don't share the same material anymore. You got a new material. Very simple. Very powerful. And that's all for this chapter. In the next chapter, we will try all the same things in the shader editor. Thank you for watching.